Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make a write-on in Premiere Pro. So we are here in the outstanding world of Premiere Pro. And I also imported my file on my project. First, drag your file on the timeline. And add text. Edit it. Change the color. You can also add a stroke. Change the font. In this video, I use an ink-free font. But you can also choose the font that is best for you. Make the font bigger or smaller depending on what you like. Make the stroke higher. Make the text longer by dragging it to the right. Add transparent video layer and hit OK. Then drag it to your timeline. Make it longer. Go to the Effects panel. Then type Write On. Drag it to the transparent video layer. Adjust the brush size. And stroke length. The stroke length is basically how long the text stays on screen after it is totally visible. So we can start with 13 seconds. Click the toggle animation on brush position. Then click the transform or write on. Maximize it so that you know where to add write on. Drag it to the very first letter. And drag where you want to write. And just simply hitting the right arrow key. To add the next keyframe. So easy. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. And unmaximize it. And add the track matte key to the text by simply typing in the effects track matte key. Drag it to the text. Then click Video 3 on the text. When you notice there is already a line. So click None on the text. And click the Write On or Transform on the transparent video layer. Adjust the first keyframe, not on the letter, just near the letter. and also in the last letter. Go to the text and click the video 3 on the text. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this Premiere Pro tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.